Good morning, man. Oh, man, I'm heartbroken over the Bengals, man. They should have won. Those stupid refs, bro. Terrible calls at the very last drive for the Rams. Just mad about it, man. Ridiculous. Let me know if you can hear the music. You should be able to. Man, it hurts. It hurts to watch. Yeah, well, Joe Burrow's still a legend anyway. I mean, he made it to the Super Bowl his first full season. So, I mean, either way, he's doing good, but it hurts. Oh, man, I didn't get enough sleep last night. Ugh. I'm actually drinking coffee this morning. I need it because going blue chip today. Have to wait for more info, short or long. Hey, good luck, view up. So you're moving from penny stocks to blue chip. We got KABL moving. Here's BBIG. We're still looking at AMC. Here's AMC. We're gonna see if we get anything good for this one, but sideways action for the last 2 days. Here's MOTS. MOTS is up to 63 cents. We've got like KOVL. We've got Prog. We've got like BBIG. You know, what's the big market stories today? Let me know. Let me fix this up. I gotta fix this too. But yeah, I'm still kind of mad about that Super Bowl game. Honestly, the Bengals lost, and I went through I cursed for like 20 minutes straight. Carol had to like get Jack out the room. I was just sitting there cursing, angry, you know. Maybe I'm just mad, but I feel like that's how the refs control the game. You know, those last two calls on the Bengals were not good calls at all, and they basically destroyed the game. But maybe I'm just mad. There's also a chance that I'm just butthurt about it. That's certainly possible. Let me know what you thought about the Bengals game. There we go. Let me know any other stocks you want included on this list as well. But I'm still mad about it. Fed is having an emergency meeting at 11:30. Yeah, they got away with one face mask, man, and it was a little bit iffy, you know. The refs were doing so good, though, man. They were just letting everything slide, and then at the very end, they just ruined it. Honestly, at least I'm not the only one. You look on Twitter, bro. Everybody's yelling at the refs, dude. For both sides, man. You know, for both sides. Why is there an emergency Fed meeting today? What's the problem? Market down? Just because the market has been dropping every day? Down. Well, what's up, James? What's up, Kyle? I'm surprised anybody's even still awake right now, bro. Ooh, it's cold. Honestly, I don't even know where my AirPods are, bro. I need my AirPods, dude. I realize these headphones make my head all like they make my head look huge, which is all right, I guess. Yeah, freaking refs, man. Yeah, I'm not mad about Stafford. I mean, the only shining part of it, or the only like redeeming part of it, is that Stafford won after being on Detroit for so long, and Whitworth, who's like an old LSU Tiger, you know, he won his Super Bowl. But I'm still mad about it, bro. They did Joe Burrow dirty, man. Yeah, it's cold over here, man. I'm freezing cold over here, dude. My wife, honestly, I don't understand her. She freezes the whole house out. She has the AC running, and it's like 30 degrees outside. Makes no sense. Yeah, Joe has time, but dude, he would have been such a legend, bro. Joe would have been the first player ever to win a Heisman, a national championship, and a Super Bowl ever. He would have been the only player ever. I'm surprised they didn't want him to win that. He would have been the only player ever to accomplish that, man. So the fact that he didn't and I didn't be able to see it, I'm mad. Ugh, it sucks. Yeah. Yeah, the Rams deserved it, I would have to say. But I'm still mad about it. Yeah. You know what's crazy is they have this full scale trading that is just trying to scam people, bro. It steals other people's stuff. All right, so what are y'all watching today, man? Let me know. What's moving right now? I mean, yeah. Hey, thank you, Beach. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Oh man, Raiders or the Bengals loss was a hard loss to take. I got 2 different drinks this morning. I didn't get enough sleep, so I made myself 2. I made myself tea. Ugh. And coffee, which is good. All right, so there's an emergency Fed meeting. All right, so that the closed meeting of the Board of Governors of the Fed Reserve System at 11:30 this morning is going to be held under expedited procedures as set forth. They're going to review and determination by the Board of Governors of the advance and discount rates to be changed by the Fed Reserve banks. All right. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna. What kind of earnings do we have today? Okay. You can now pin a message to the top of your live chat for viewers to read. But couldn't I already do that? Here, sorry, Buster. I gotta remove that. Just not gonna promote other competitors. Nobody on YouTube's gonna want to. Hey, what's up, Gary? All right, one thing I realized though. What? What the heck? Okay. Did they update TOS, bro? Weird, man. One thing I realized Friday though, guys, is that I cannot trade short-term options at all. I lost like 100 something bucks Friday, and it was mostly because I got tempted to trade options again. I gotta just not trade it. That has to be like an established rule in my account, is that I just cannot trade short-term options at all. It's a sucker's bet in my opinion. The liquidity is too low to scalp, and it just ends up just chopping out a lot of the time, just not favorable. The real problem with options, and I'll tell you why I don't trade short-term options very well. I even talked to Mitch, and Mitch said the same thing. Is that options just don't work, man. Like it's not that they don't work. I think you could trade longer, like time, like I think you could trade like a month-long option if you're planning to hold it for like a few weeks, or like a month, 2-month long option if you're planning on holding it for like a month, and so forth and so on. I think that's fine. But trading short-term options, like day trading options, it just doesn't work. And the reason it doesn't work is because, number one, for me personally, I'm going to cut the option too short anyway. And so you can't really scalp options effectively, I don't think. I think that there's too little liquidity for you to do that. So that when you finally getting out, you're getting hit, you could just buy the shares and have a much cheaper trade. Like you could just buy the shares, get better fills, get a much cheaper trade, not have to worry about slippage as much, not have to worry about liquidity as much, and it's going to do the exact same thing. And so, yeah, I'm just not going to buy options. It just doesn't work. I end up losing. I'm good at scalping. I make money scalping. If I scalp every day, I'm good at it. But not options. Not today. Anyways, MOTS is up to 61s. We got AMC up there to 1860s here. Do you think AMC is going to rebound and get over 19 today? Let me know. Well, I don't play them too far out, Chris. Usually when I play them, I play like week-long options or like 2-day out options. That's what I did Friday. Got my butt kicked, dude. Yeah, I mean, $50 options might be reasonable. I don't know. Hey, maybe I just suck. I don't know. It's possible. It's just not my niche, man. It's just not my niche. Like I said, Mitch said the same thing, bro. I talked to Mitch. Mitch was like, yeah, tried options, got my butt kicked. And that's how I feel, dude. It just didn't work. Oh, coffee. Yeah, that makes more sense as writing options. If you're good at stuff, if you're good, but even still, writing options, it's like it's gonna need to be like I can write options and that's fine, but like scalping short-term options does not work for me personally. It just doesn't work, and I end up losing. It's just a waste of time. Right, and because of that, Chris, scalping probably is not the right move for me, You know what I don't understand is these scanner streams. Like, how are you gonna have a YouTube channel that just takes something that's free, or that takes something that's costful, and then just stream it and not do anything else? You know what I mean? Like, how much longevity does that type of channel have, man? You know, like I know I've thought about doing one before. You know, I've thought about just leaving scanners up before, but like I would have a hard time trying to build something like that up, because it's like you try to build something like that up, like you have no substance of your channel. It's just taking something and then streaming it, and you don't do anything else. You know? I don't know. Maybe I'm just hating on them. I don't know. Yeah, definitely not the options player, bro. Yeah, I mean, I don't leave any of them. But even Squawk, like I don't know who are they even supposed to have Squawk? You know? Yeah, it's basically the O-line. I mean, don't get it wrong, Chris. He was getting sacked a lot. You know, the O-line definitely failed him, and that's what they need to get, man. The problem is like they're not going to get as favorable picks in the draft this year because of how well they did. You know, the only benefit of doing badly is they get some draft picks. They just need some linemen. Luckily, linemen aren't generally very high in the draft, and so they should still be able to get at least one or two new upgraded linemen. They just need something, bro. They get a new lineman and they stick with the rest of their team, they're going to be good this next year. Hey, what's up, Pawn? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, for sure, JoJo. Yeah, I just have so much better results just trading shares, man. You know, so it's very hard to like. It's very hard whenever every time I've tried scalping options, I've lost hundreds of dollars. It's very difficult for that to happen, and for me to go back to it. Now I understand like there's certainly a potential that I'm doing something wrong, but like it's very difficult for me to go back to options whenever it's just like, well, why don't I just buy these shares directly? You know, and it's like I've got multiple options. It's not just shares. Like I could buy future contracts as well and get virtually the same thing for cheaper. You know, and so options just doesn't make sense. Options, it seems too limited, if that makes sense, right? Like options seem too many things have to be in a row in order to make money on the option contract. Like it's too condition based, you know, as opposed to like momentum scalping. I can generally have pretty solid results. Left tackle was the most important. Yeah, that's Whitworth. Yeah, Joe was. Yeah, the first half was pretty solid in terms of offense. So the first half was like a decent offensive, you know, half. The second half though, the Rams really stepped it up, and you know, Joe had no time to do anything, unfortunately. Yeah, swinging them, I've actually been very profitable, JoJo. That's what I'm saying. I'm not giving up options. I'm just giving up day trading options. Like I can trade options and make money, but the real truth is like it needs to be swing trades. Swing trades are my most profitable trades. So y'all hit the like button. Do me a favor, hit the like button. Also, let me vote right now. Do you think AMC hits 20 this week? Yeah, I mean, I don't know, VWAP. I'm not really one to like I said, I don't let my political tastes influence whether I watch the Super Bowl. I'm rooting for Joe Burrow, and for Louisiana mostly because I'm a Louisiana guy, and so I obviously because of that I want Joe Burrow to win, and still pretty heartbroken that he didn't, if I'm being honest. But it was a good game, and we had some LSU players on the Rams as well, so it's all good. Hey, what's up, Smoke? Hey, good to see you, bro. Yeah, I feel you, Chris. Yeah, Odell got hurt, man. I thought that would be game over for them too. Once Odell Beckham got hurt, man, I thought that'd be it. But nope. Sell puts. I would, Bob, but the problem is I don't have. Like, I've got a $30,000 account, but I don't think that's enough to sell options and still be able to day trade normally. Yeah, it might be it for OBJ, I think, man. Yeah, I feel you, JoJo. Tough game, though, man. Tough game. It's all good, though. And yeah, like I said, y'all hit the like button, guys. Vote on the poll right now. Do you think AFC hits 20 this week? 65% of you saying yes out of basically 40 people. So, hey, hit the subscribe button. We also have a video premiering today. Honestly, Playmaker, I see the candle you posted. I have that exact same candle. I love the eucalyptus, man. Eucalyptus, like, look, check this out, bro. I don't know if you've ever seen this, but like, look, it's the same thing, dude. I've got the same kind of spray here. Yeah. As a Chiefs fan, I was happy the Bengals lost. Chiefs have already had their day. Honestly, I think the Chiefs' problem is that they get more publicity from what's his name, his younger brother Mahomes, and Patrick's wife than Patrick actually does. Is the big problem with them, and I get it. Jackson Mahomes and what's his name's wife is, they well, I get it. Like, they want they want to, like, be out there and stuff. I get it, but I think they're getting some bad publicity from that. I think everybody's kind of mad at them for it, and so I think it just makes it worse. Yeah, for sure, crypto. What else is moving? BDSI, TCBP. Hey, what's up, Alejandro? All right, so AMC about to test green here, guys. About to test green. It's at 1870. So we'll see what happens. So the Fed Reserve meeting has that the Fed Reserve has that emergency meeting today. How do you think that's gonna go, man? That's the interesting thing, I think. It's supposed to be at 11:30. What? Account or password is wrong. What? What the heck, bro? What the heck, dude? Got some weird new password, I guess. Weird how you have like a list of passwords. I've got like a list of passwords that I use. I don't know which one I use on any specific post, but I. Yeah, I've said it before. I'll say it again. The rushing game of the Bengals was slow. Rushing game and O-line are the two things they need to improve in their draft. Yeah, Feds have an emergency meeting scheduled for 11:30. Hey, what's up, Emmanuel? I think the rates will be raised by 25 basis or 0.225 basis points, not 50. All right, so what do you think? A lot of people are shorting the market today? Is that what you think they're going to be doing right now? How much volatility in the crypto world do you think we're going to get? That's the question. Do you think we're going to see some big downturns in the market now, or what do you think is going to happen, team? Let me know. Let me know if you think the market is going to crash the market or not. I think it's certainly going to impact it. I don't know how much or what or anything like that, but I think it's certainly going to at least impact the market some. All right, AMC's testing green. AMC's this bottom left chart right here. It's testing green. We'll see. I think the crypto market's probably going to be coming down too with it. Right. I'm guessing Bitcoin is down. Yeah, Bitcoin's down to 42K. Mostly been sideways though for this morning. Hey, well, happy Valentine's Day, Cassie. And everybody else. Sins news? Is there Sins news? No, I don't see any Sins news. I see bots. Here's Sins right here. Sins has gotten beat up over the last few days. Yeah, that's the consensus beach for now. Hey, what's up, Howard? Good morning. No wonder pre-market is red. Fed meeting. Yeah, for sure. We'll see what happens. I mean, who knows? Yeah, Sins got FDA approval last week. What other new stocks do we have? Maybe we got BDSI. Yeah, I remember seeing BDSI before. That looks like an acquisition or something of the sorts. MOTS. Penny stock up there. Watching MOTS. TCBP. KVL up there too. We got AMC testing green. Mott's applesauce. Yeah, Bullard on CNBC at 8:30. What is that in? That's in an hour. That's in like 50 minutes. Fed meeting is baked into the markets potentially. Crisscross applesauce. Mott's. What major earnings releases are today? So Bitcoin's still red technically, but not by much. It's about 1%, less than 1% down. Anything else moving that I don't see? If so, let me know. We got SENS, we got DRMA. I thought about starting the stream later. I didn't think anybody would be up. What do you guys think about that? Look at AMC RIP. Here goes AMC, man. Look at this. It's up to 1890s, testing 19 here. Vote on the poll right now. Do you think it's going to hit 100? Or do you think it's going to hit 20 this week? Yeah, what are the major earnings releases? Yeah, Fed meeting is closed door, but we're going to have to watch how everything reacts to it still. We also have a debut after the stream. All right, AMC ripping over the previous close, man. Look at this. It's up to 1890s here, 1890s. Like I said, I was kind of weary of doing the stream a little this early. BBIG on the move. There's KVL. There's Mott's. Here's BBIG. Oh, BBIG is trying. AMC bouncing at this previous closing price at 1880s. 1880s. Yeah, what's up, Margatina? No, everybody's calling it an emergency meeting. I don't know if it is, but that's what they're calling it. KVL is up there. Anything else moving right now that we don't see? I posted earnings calendar on your Discord. Well, thank you, Play. I appreciate you, bro. Which section did you post it? Oh, there it is. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. All right, so today we have Avis, Alexander's, Treehouse. Wait, is this Treehouse? It's not Team Treehouse. Amtech, Continental, Amcor, PHX, Acasti, Rovant, Ottertail, Advanced Auto Parts. So the only major ones that I might stream are going to be Treehouse, Advanced Auto Parts, and that's probably it. And what are the biggest companies in these earnings releases? I mean, I know tomorrow we have like Roblox, which we're definitely live streaming Roblox. Then we got the Marriott. Airbnb is tomorrow as well. Tomorrow is going to be hard to pick which one we want to actually listen to the call on. Viacom, CBS is tomorrow. Palantir, which, you know, we just got a lot of them. But today, we're going to probably just do Advanced Auto Parts. But let me know if you guys see anything on this earnings release that... what the largest companies are for this afternoon's earnings releases. So far, we have Avis, which I know is pretty big. Item 9 Labs, Ammo, Advanced Auto Parts, Arista, Continental, Amcor, PHX, Amtech, Ottertail. What is that? That's 9 stocks. So let me know which ones you like. SNDL moving up. Let's see. Yeah, SNDL look good today, man. It's up there, bro. You know, it's moving. All right, so we got SNDL up there. SNDL does look kind of good. Let me see what the catalyst is. Any idea what the catalyst is for SNDL? They have an article about a reverse stock split could make Sundial too cheap to resist. Yeah, I think a reverse split for SNDL would be a great thing. I think it needs to do something like that. There's so many shares in the float for SNDL that's a very bullish thing if they can do a reverse split for SNDL. And I see an article about that, but I don't see any actual like catalyst for SNDL today. But we'll see. It looks good. It's over 65. You know, it's testing previous highs up there around the previous close. So that all looks good. You know, we got BBIG, KVL up there too. We got AMC over the previous close making some moves. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I mean, Sam, we've been streaming all the major earnings releases for the last few weeks, and it actually goes really well. We get a bunch of people there. We get a mix of we get like 1 to 400 people there usually. So we get actually similar numbers to this live stream. And so I think that there's a lot of people that want to listen to the full earnings call because the earnings call is really interesting for a few different reasons. Number one is that if you're very short-term trading, you can effectively analyze what you're hearing and then react to it in the market. And so like if the Disney CEO comes out and he's like, yeah, Disney's looking great, the guidance looks great for the first quarter, you can really hear the nuance behind the earnings release as opposed to just reading it. And so you know, Disney guy can say, okay, the first quarter guidance looks good, you can buy it and write it up for like a 5-minute trade capitalizing on the earnings call. And so I think we got a lot of people that listen to them with us. So that's something that we're, like I said, we want to be like, we want to be just a broader stock market channel. Like that's what we're transitioning to. And we still day trade, of course, and we still swing trade and we still invest, but like we want to be a broader stock market channel. And that's what we're transitioning to, is covering all major stock market news. Today we have a video from Beach Bum that we're debuting on this channel about Disney, whether it's a buy, you know, kind of Disney due diligence and analyzation. So should be good. Yeah, I'm seeing SNDL. Yeah, SNDL, man, it's interesting. If they do a reverse split, I think it's gonna fly. Yeah, what's up, Harry? I'm not sure, man. What do y'all think? Vote on the poll. Let me know what you guys think Disney's gonna do today. Disney have NSTs today. We'll see. Nice. We have S&D outs at 65. See if we get over that previous close. Futures just went positive. My son's game. What? Son doesn't have a game today. What's the SPY doing? Here's KABL here. I'm trying to look up the catalyst for KABL. I don't know what this catalyst is either. This Cable Brands. I know this gapped up Thursday or Friday. Roblox, TDOC. BBIG is technically green on the day now. TDOC is okay. He's trying. MOTS is up. TDCP is trying. It's moving a little bit. Yeah, Roblox, we're definitely going to be streaming the earnings call for Roblox for sure. Yeah, we'll see, Harry. Vote on the poll right now. Do you think AMC hits 20 this week? Vote. 54% of you think yes. 46% of you say no. And we'll see what happens. AMC over the previous close. You can see this light blue level here is the previous closing price. It's the level at which a stock goes from green to red to green. Very relevant and significant level that generally acts as support. You can see AMC actually bounced off of this level once already just in the last 10 minutes. And so, we got a nice level there we can pay attention to. AMC Friday was pretty choppy, but it didn't drop too heavily. And that's always good. Anytime you see a neutral day, you just don't want it to drop major. And that's not what we got yesterday. So that's good. Ripped up the day before, hit 21s. And again, big level here is this previous close. Here's the previous closing price at 1880. So we're going to see if we can hold over that spot. Okay, so Mott's was granted FDA clearance to market the Pure View. Got you, man. That makes sense. All right. And speaking of metaverse stocks, right? One of the dope parts about BitGet is that you can check out these metaverse stocks. So like, here, let me sign in. Right here, we don't need to. One of the dope parts about BitGet is that you can check out these metaverse stocks. So you can look at I can go to USDT and select metaverse here, and you can see what they're all doing. So they're all basically down. Sandbox is down. Where's AXS? They have more metaverse stocks here. But Sandbox is down. Where's Engine? Isn't Engine metaverse? Right, here's Engine. It's down. Axie Infinity down. So metaverse stocks are down today, but Bitcoin trying to pop back up a little bit. Almost break even for Bitcoin. So we'll see what happens. SNDL, guys. Let's see if SNDL can get over this previous closing price, right around 66 cents. We'll see. Yeah, it was a good game, Ed. I was heartbroken, but it was a good game. Yeah, we got a lot of big earnings releases this week. The most notable ones that we're going to be covering are NVIDIA, Cisco, Roku, DraftKings, Roblox, Viacom, Airbnb, and Advanced Auto Parts today. So we'll see how they go. Let me know your prediction. Yeah, how's Facebook even acting nowadays, man? Facebook just ripped, man, crashed Friday. I didn't even notice this, man. So Facebook tanked Friday again, kind of back to its lows here. Its lows of the last few days at 215, 216 here. So are you buying this dip, guys? Man, Facebook tanking here. So we're back to roughly the lows. Are you buying this dip in Facebook? I don't know. I could mess with the call option, but I think I have to wait. In chat, guys, list your watch list. What is your watch list this morning? Your top 4. Would you look for a sign of strength in Facebook before buying in? Well, it depends on what your actual method of trading is. I think everybody's a little bit different, and I don't think one way is necessarily right or wrong. I think that for me personally, it depends on the time frame you're holding the stock, right? Like most of the time, I am looking for, like in trades like Facebook, I'm looking for longer term plays. Like I'm not looking for investments, but I'm looking for like longer term swing trades that I can buy the dip and then wait for a month and then sell it if it bounces, which I think it probably will. So in stuff like Facebook, I think buying the dip, waiting a month or two to see if we get a potential bounce, and then just taking profit into that bounce is the right move. That's what, again, I'm not telling you should do that. I have no idea what Facebook is going to do. Maybe it keeps crashing, and that's certainly a possibility. Not an investment professional, not financial advice. Don't sue me. But I think it's cheap here. Generally, my favorite swing trading style is looking for healthy companies that have just gotten beat up and then buying them while they're cheap. That's usually what I try to do, and that's kind of what Facebook is looking like to me now. Now, the only question about it is it healthy? That's the biggest question. Is it healthy? And let me know what you think in chat, guys. You buying Facebook? Do you think it's healthy? Let me know. AFRM, AMC, SNDL, and SINS. Yeah, I like most of those, man. AFRM got beat up. It might be time for a dip too in that last earnings release. Facebook has too much negative PR in the long run. They'll probably be fine. But in short term, I'd only play them on the downside. Yeah, I feel you, man. That makes sense. Yeah, for sure, JB. It's a profitable strategy. I did it with my most recent example of this was DraftKings. So we made money on DraftKings. And I actually just sold my DraftKings position, just to put it into perspective. I ended up holding it for like 3 weeks to a month. And yeah, really nice trade. I can show you it. Right now we're working on building up a little small Robinhood account. And so we'll see how this goes. But in the last day, this is our graph trading this type of strategy. If you want to see what this type of strategy looks like, this is a small account, and this is kind of what we're using to trade it. So we are up about 16% in the past month trading this strategy. And so it can be very profitable. It's a very profitable strategy. You just got to look, and you can see my graph here. So it's like you can see my graph, but this is what that type of strategy looks like. And we're just going to look for our next trade. We're going to look for our next trade, and we'll see how it goes. But profitable, SPY, GameStop, BRLT, and NAK. Hey, good luck. But again, DraftKings, same type of thing, right? DraftKings had just gotten beat up when we started buying it back here. It was at $18.50s, $19. My logic at the time was the same thing I just said, which is like, this is a pretty healthy company, done a lot of partnerships in the last year. And it's just gotten beaten up with the market. It's dropped from like $65 all the way down to like 17. And so in my mind, I'm like, okay, well, this is a healthy company. I think DraftKings is going to be around in 10 years. And so we can buy the dip and wait. And so we bought the dip, and, we got a nice, beautiful little downward trend all the way up until really Friday. And Friday's the day we decided to sell on it. So, well, it depends on what type of trade ride. Short term, long term, it really depends. What's up, X? What's up, JoJo? Who's the best? Top 2. The only chance Facebook can do well is if they're foot in the metaverse, but a lot of people have beat them to it. Yeah, I mean, there's just a lot of hype, man, around the metaverse. But the reason Facebook lost so much money last year is because they lost $10 billion on metaverse projects. John, what companies you like long term? Disney, DraftKings. I think DraftKings will still probably go up. Disney, DraftKings, Apple. There's a bunch of them. I like a lot of stocks long term. Really, with long term analyzation, you really just got to analyze, do you think this company will be around in 10, 15 years? And, I think that's a pretty easy bet on a lot of these companies. Now, the real key with long-term investing, though, is diversifying. If you're really trying to grow, like if you're really trying to hold something for 10 years, just diversify into all the different sectors and stocks, because picking one stock and holding it is risky. Doesn't make sense. Yeah, I gotta delete that comment, Steven. It's nothing against you, bro. It's just, I think YouTube's gonna get too weird with me about that. So I gotta delete that comment, brother. And I have no idea whether that's true or not, Steven. Because of that, I'm gonna delete it just because I'm not sure. Hope you understand. Yeah, AMD's dope. I like AMD. Hey, help us get over 300 people in here, guys. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. We do this live every day right here. Sheesh, man. You know what's hilarious, though, guys? This is actually very humorous and funny. Number one, her... I'm not... let me think of a nice way to put this. Her butt is flat. But it's like, dude, I follow all these stock traders. Here's the hilarious thing about Twitter. Okay, it's like I follow all these stock traders, and I don't know if they know that you can see all the girls half naked that they like. Like anytime they follow a girl or they like a girl or they heart a girl's post, I can see them thirsting all over these girls on Twitter. And so it's like you got all these big time gurus that are like in suits or that are trying to teach people stock advice, and then you just kind of scroll down Twitter and you see like all these girls that they're thirsting after. And it's like, bro, we can see you, dude. Like, I can see you liking these girls' stuff, man. Honestly, her butt's flat, too. I mean, no offense. I mean, just, But, like, man, I can see it. We can see this, Like, it's kind of like my dad or my mom on Facebook just liking stuff, That we can see that they're just oblivious to the fact that we can see it. But it's like, we can see this, bro. AMC over 20, over 18s. So we'll see if it happens. Yeah, all thirsty business professionals, man. Bro, it's like, dude, I can see it, man. Like, come on now, bro. Listen, you're like, I'm not mad at you for looking. I'm really not. I'm not mad at you for looking. But like, do what everybody else does and create an alt account for that, bro. Like, don't do it on your business account. I think, I don't know if some of them really think they have a chance in getting with some of these women. I don't know if they really think that. And so they're like, hey, I have clout on the internet. Maybe this will help me. I think that's the logic from some of them. But it's unlikely. It's unlikely. Let me know what you think, guys. Yeah. All right. What about Peloton, man? What's Peloton done this year? Or not this year, but last few days. So Peloton, big drop. Are y'all buying the Peloton dip? Let me know. We got some stuff moving. We got like MOTS, MOTS. That's up there. I think Facebook could fall a lot more if the market corrects, and maybe even if it does not need to see the chart improve on Facebook. Like, this is where my ADD gets the worst. I'm like scrolling on Twitter, hanging out, and then it's like, did Kanye West and Julia Fox split up? And I'm like, what? Dude, I just don't think. I mean, I don't think Julia Fox is that attractive. You know, no offense. I mean, should any business be too big to fail? I mean, yeah. I mean, no business is too big to fail, because even if a business is huge right now, there's always like technology can make anything and everything obsolete. You know. Krispy Kreme, bro. Krispy Kreme's got the best donuts ever, dude. They say the algorithm is, I don't know, man. SoFi. All right, so here's SoFi. We got BBIG up there, but man, look at SoFi rip. Yeah, SoFi's popping up. Let's see what the catalyst actually is here for SoFi. All right, so SoFi is up. I guess people are just looking at the Super Bowl commercials, and apparently there was a SoFi commercial, is what I'm seeing. But I don't see any actual catalyst. Yeah. Well, I think AMC has the chance to squeeze. I think that considering the size of the following, and it does have a high short float, I'm watching it from last week to see if that squeeze is going to ultimately happen. And let me know what you guys think, guys. Well, everybody's always buying stocks shot, so I mean, it's a different. Yo, if you got money, all the girls on the internet are available. I mean, bro, maybe so, but the likelihood of you, number one, is that if you really want to have, you really better have money. You know, like making 100,000 a year is not going to do anything. You know what I mean? I think I don't know. SoFi was in every commercial because they hosted the Super Bowl with name on stadium. Yeah. Don't be that guy. I like you. You're cool. Wait, are you really mad at me, Burrow? For what? You know, I can't troll the business professionals liking half naked girls on Twitter. Isn't that a reasonable thing to poke fun at? I think it's a reasonable thing, bro. You know. Methinks thou doth protest too much, sir. Yeah, the Tinder swindler, bro. That's a show. Apple gap it up too, man. So Apple is up today. I'm not sure what it's up on, but Apple is up. SPY ripped up. So I guess Apple's probably just following the SPY. FOMO at 1. Well, we'll see. SDL at 65. It's looking like it's trying. Meeting is at 11:30 today. Meeting is at 11:30. It's the Tinder swindler, man. That was it. Viacom coming out with earnings. My buddy won $600 in the Super Bowl pool. Very dope. Why so many people loading on BBIG? It's down, but still a lot of large orders. It's just got a huge following at this point in time, man. What's up with the pre-market scans here? Let's put the 15-minute chart up, I guess. There we go. That works. VRPX up 23% in the last 15 minutes. AMC pushing up, breaking highs here, getting or trying to at least. Previous highs are at about 19. It's testing 19 now. SoFi ripping up too. BBIG's trying as well. Here's VRPX. See, this is what's weird. It showed up in the scanner, but nothing here. CNR. What is CNR here? What is this? Look at CNR, guys. I don't even know what this is. Let me look it up. CNR. This is Cornerstone Building. Fourth quarter earnings are in 7 days. They dropped they dropped a report of an active stake in their company from somebody else, Richard J. Campbell. So they disclosed an active stake in their company. Is that all that's going on with CNR? AMC dipping down, testing those highs, and then coming right back down. So we'll see. Yeah, I just think it's really easy for young people to get caught in the trap of chasing after like these influencers. It's how a lot of them make their living. You know what I mean? And a lot of them make their living just kind of leading on men. You know, it's the reality of it, man. You know, and I'll put it this way: it's better to Tinder. If I was single, I'd be hitting up Tinder. You know, Tinder and other stuff like that. That's the way. That's the truth. To do it. That's the way you do it. Hey, what's up, Rick? Yeah. Yeah, dude. McDonald's asking everybody to like their page for coupons and stuff. It's all good, man. All right, so AMC up there to 19. We'll see if we hold. CNR trying to get up there. We've got SNDL testing here, and SNDL is definitely interesting. What's the reason, though? Why did SNDL run last week? That's the question here. Like, anybody have a reason? Nah, Carol and I have talked about it before. Like, Carol and I are like, we have conversations where it's like, hey, if we were both single, who do you think could get the who do you think somebody told me on Friday, they were like, she has options. I'm sitting there like, bro, I got options too. If y'all think I don't, y'all are crazy. But I love Carol. I don't want to be with anybody else, but you know. SNDO got an extension. Extension for what? Check out SoFi. Yeah, we're watching it. Yeah, I'm sitting there like, damn, dude. You get a bunch of white knights on the internet, man. They just want to defend the pretty girl. And I get it. I mean, listen, I get it, you know. But Carol's a good wife. She really is. She's a good wife. Today's Valentine's Day, too, you know. So we're going to go do something. I don't know what we're going to do, but we're going to do something. They weren't compliant too many days under $1. It was going to be delisted, and they got an extension. How long is the extension for? They got to get back over $1 before the extension time frame is up, correct? Yeah, I would hate dating right now, bro. I think sometimes the grass seems greener on the other side, you know, and I think a lot of the time it's really easy to lust after stuff that you see in on the internet. But I think the reality of it is you're going to be less happy on the other side, you know, and I think that's what people got to realize. I think that's why, you know, relationships don't last this long these days. Internet's a tricky thing, man. Yeah, so 180-day extension. That's dope. I mean, that's enough time. We'll see what happens. They've got a lot of time. And they have to get back over $1 as the listing requirements generally, right? So it's $1, I believe, or something like that. Sundial Growers trading higher. The company announced that it has received an extension for 180 calendar days to regain compliance with the NASDAQ minimum bid requirements. Right, exactly. Relationships will work too, man. Relationships will work. Well, that's everywhere. But yeah. All right, guys. I gotta get my other headphones, man. These headphones suck. They hurt my ears. They don't feel good. Last time SNDL got pushed up enough for 10 days. Yeah, SNDL's up there. I mean, look, the previous closing price is right here. I think this is the relevant level. Let's pay attention to the previous close. We get over this level, I think that's going to spark some momentum. We'll see, though. We got to wait. Who knows what's going to happen with SNDL. It could be good. It could be bad. I don't know. We're going to have to wait and see. Potentially pawn. I did see a lot of those EV commercials yesterday. So a lot of EV commercials yesterday. We'll see, man. I gotta trim my beard a little bit. My beard's kind of crazy. Hold your horses. We're gonna see $1 soon. Hey, good luck, bro. Yeah, I mean it's moving up. Look, I think SNDL is one of those stocks that has a crazy big following too. So it's interesting. AMC up there to 1880s right now. 1880s. SoFi bouncing at 1720s or at 1270s. I don't know where these numbers are popping up in my head. No, these are not Beats. These are Bose headphones. These are great headphones. Don't get me wrong. Shout out to my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law bought me these like a while ago. Like my mother-in-law got me these. But the problem is like I don't know if it's like my ears hang out too much, but they hurt my ears, bro. Like they just don't work that well. They just hurt my ears. And so it's all good. I don't know where my headphones are. All right, guys. So SNDL is up there. We do have CNR here. I'm still trying to figure out. I saw that they disclosed a stake in the company for CNR. Do y'all know anything else about this? This is Cornerstone Building. It's a building company. I do see they disclosed a stake in the company by somebody else. Is that the only reason they're up? Okay, so here we go. I got it. I found the article for CNI. So Cornerstone Brands, the largest manufacturer of exterior building products in North America, acknowledges the receipt of a non-binding best and final proposal from funds affiliated with Clayton, Dubier, and Rice to acquire all the company's outstanding shares of common stock that CD&R does not already own for $24.65 in cash per share. And so this is acquisition. CD&R in the aggregate is currently the beneficial owner of approximately 49% of the company's outstanding shares of common stock. The board of directors of the company previously formed a special committee of independent directors, and this is all quoting here, to evaluate and consider any potential or actual proposal from CD&R and the other alternative proposals or other strategic alternatives that may be available to the company, end quote. So this is an acquisition here, basically. So you can see it popped up. $24.65 was the acquisition price, and this basically popped right up to there. Not fully, but close. We do have AMC bouncing off of this previous close. You can see AMC bouncing right off of 1880s. We got SNDL popping up there to about 65.5 cents, 66.5 cents. So we got those moving as well. Let me know what you guys like. Sunny makes, yeah, I can't wear these. I don't know if it's my ears or what, but I can't wear these. These hurt my ears too much. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my AirPods. Blue reflections. Blue is not your color. You need more orange light. Dude, orange is definitely not my color, bro. You know. My color actually is blue. Blue, green. Green is really my favorite color. But here, I'll be right back, guys. Target stock is more than Walmart. Is Target a better company than Walmart? No. No. It's not a small. Don't get me wrong. Like Target's not a small company by any means. Look, there's CNR pushing up. But just because a company is more expensive doesn't mean anything. You have to look at the market cap. The market cap is the size of a company. So if you want to see who's larger or smaller, you have to look at the market cap. And the market cap for, let me see. Well, we can look the market cap up. But the market cap for Walmart is billions, I'm sure. Yeah, market cap for Walmart is 375 billion market cap. All right, the market cap for Target is 101.36 billion. So, yeah, Target is a little bit over 3 times smaller than Walmart. And so again, you don't want to get into the habit of just looking at price and saying, "Oh, well, this is a bigger company because the price is more expensive." GameStop. Okay, put it this way, right? If you look at like Apple, right? Apple was 168 bucks. You look at Chipotle. What's Chipotle? CPG? What is it? CMG? Yeah, you look at Chipotle. Chipotle is 1,500. Do you think Chipotle is 10 times larger than Apple is? Absolutely not. You know, they just have Chipotle simply has less shares in the float, and so the price per share is more expensive as opposed to like Apple, which has billions and billions in the float. And so that's what you really got to understand is that it's not about the price per se, it's about how many shares are out there. You know, that's going to influence everything else. Hope that makes sense. I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab my AirPods. Or AMC bouncing at that previous close. It's one of the reasons you should be watching that previous closing price because, like, look how close this comes. Yeah, we're unmuted. All right, so SoFi, man, what's going on with SoFi? Let me see if we can find it. I know they hosted the Super Bowl. We could try to, Tyler. All right, guys. All right, so we do have SoFi here. AMC up, SNDL moving. We got CNR on the move. Man, how do I turn this off, bro? How do I turn this off, dude? Somebody help me out. I got my wife's AirPod Pros in, and they do this sound cancellation. I can't hear anything else. It's an awkward, weird sound. It's too much. How do I turn this down? How do I turn the noise cancellation off in these things? Because this is not. I don't like this at all. Can y'all not hear the music? Can you not hear the music, guys? Let me know if you can hear the music, team. If not, we'll turn it up. No music? Oh, well, damn, bro. I'm sorry, guys. Let me fix that for you. Now, can you hear the music? That should be better. Man, look at AMC rip up to $19. Somebody help me turn this noise cancellation off. Squeeze the pods, bro. Huh? Hey, you're right. That did work. Wait, they just went off. Oh, well. Yeah, but right now, all I hear, like, when I do that, it just turns them off. Oh, well. That's all right. All right, good. All right, what's going on with the scanners, man? Benzinga scanners are down. Very rare that this happens, but it does happen occasionally with anybody, so it's all good. Okay, so I basically can't do it from a computer. Is basically what I'm saying. Yeah, it's all good. Last, I appreciate you. These are AirPod Pros, but the only way I can adjust them is from my phone, and it's all right. All right, look at AMC, guys. AMC testing 19. I think 19 is very relevant. See, it's too loud, man. I can't hear anything else. Yeah, I have level 2. Yeah, I have level 2 Weston. All right, guys. We got S&D out here. What are you the most bullish in? Vote on the poll right now. Do you think AMC hits 20 this week? 55% of you saying yes. 45% are saying no. Let me know, man. Hit the like button. Vote on the poll right now. Hey, what's up, Alexa? What about NFTs? What about them, Oki? I mean, Oki, if you're trying to subtly promote your NFT, it's not going to work. I saw you post another one earlier that got rejected. So just a heads up, it's not going to work if you try to promote them here. I'm not sure if that's what you're trying to do. I think I'm naturally kind of programmed at this point to be cautious of that, you know, especially in the NFT world. What's up, day trading? I'm not much of a level 2 analysis guy. Level 2 is highly manipulated. You're not going to be able to see a lot of that stuff from the level 2. Highly manipulated. Hey, good luck, Cal. You got this, brother. Top Shot NFTs. Yeah, I'm making money on Top Shot NFTs, bro. You know, just ridiculous gains. Honestly, ridiculous gains. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we'll see about the interest rates. I don't know, man. CNR is a little bit different. It's a potential acquisition / buyout. And so it's just a little bit different, man. I don't know what this one's going to do. Okay, so CNR is a buyback. That's what it was. Okay, that makes sense. I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. Cornerstone Building. Um, okay, so basically, CDNR is basically finalizing their stake in the company. It says that they're gonna make they made a non-binding proposal to acquire all outstanding shares it does not already own of Cornerstone Building Brands for $24.65 in cash. And so to me, that sounds like they're going to be buying out their remaining shares that they own, or that they don't own, at about a little bit under $25 a share. So that's right here is where they're going to be buying the shares back. Really, if we're wanting the exact number, it's about right there. That is where they are supposedly going to be buying their shares back. So we're still well under that. I mean, we're going to be watching this. The float size here is about 62 million, so it's not a huge float, but it's not a small float either per se. It's just kind of middle range. Yeah, I got a bunch of Top Shot cards, bro. And Top Shot's dope, dude. They got a lot of cool stuff. Yeah, Top Shot's dope. They got a bunch of cool stuff, man. Hey, what's up, Tom? Hey, good morning, bro. So what are y'all watching today, man? Do y'all think AMC breaks 20 today? Let me know. Vote on the poll right now. Do you think AMC breaks 20 this week? Let me know. Do you think SNDL hits $1 this week? I think SNDL is going to try to hit $1 for sure. SoFi up there to 1280s. Do y'all like SoFi for a buy? We got CNR up there. We're looking at like BBIG too. BBIG is technically green on the day. We're watching like Prog here, PROG. Prog up to 177. So we got like TCBP, EZGO. We have SOHO. So BKKT. Yeah, we're definitely watching BKKT too. Here's BKKT. Dude, I think TOS changed their programming for the first time I've ever seen them change their programming. So TOS actually had a developer come in, it looks like, and upgrade. Look at their wait screen. BKKT is up there too. And BKKT is interesting. It was slow Friday, but look, TOS actually changed their wait screen. Like if I enter something random, look, they changed it, man. It's the first time I've ever seen them change anything on their platform on Thinkorswim. So maybe it's time for TOS to not lag anymore. I'm hoping so. John Sanders, bro. Listen, you've asked me that like at least 5 times now. There's absolutely no chance I'm going to comment on that. It's too divisive and polarized and political. And I'm not going to ostracize half of my viewers for anything. I'm very middle of the road type of person, politically speaking. And I try to avoid really divisive questions. So please stop asking me that, bro. There's no chance I'm going to answer it. AXLA. Soho is up there too. We got MOHO as well. I don't know if these are all sympathy moves or what. MOGU. CNR is trying. We got SoFi. Hey, what's up, Miguel? Good morning, bro. MDV. Apple. Here's the SPY itself. This is interesting. So SPY technically green on the day now. Yeah, I mean, we trade some NFTs, man, but it's not something that we trade on stream or cover heavily on stream. Hey, yes, sir, Victor. Let's do it, man. Yeah, DS. It might be a bot, or I thought it could be a bot, or it could be somebody that's like doing some type of like essay for school or something like that. Yeah, Chris, I avoid those, man. Like I said, the number one, most of the time they're too nuanced. Like the answers to those questions are way too nuanced. Number two is that they're just too divisive, man. Like I'm not gonna ostracize. Like no smart business owner is gonna do that, regardless of what their views are. You know what I mean? Like no smart business owner, especially one that's like this. Like, and YouTube is a business for me, 100%. But especially one that's like this, where I know at least it's at least 60-40 for both, sides of the political spectrum. And so I'm not going to ostracize 60 to 40% of my viewers for nothing. That's not smart business. You know what I mean? And I don't really like politics in general. I generally just dislike all of politics on both sides, and I just avoid it as much as I can because I'd rather just have a good life and live life and not be so worried about competing with some other side. You know what I mean? That just seems dumb. SPY gonna drop if there's a meeting? Yeah, there is a meeting. It's at 11:30. 11:30 is when the meeting's supposed to be. Do you see the appeal of online gaming? Yeah, I game all the time. Y'all want to get beat at MLB The Show, Halo, UFC 4? Get beat, man. Yeah, CNR. We're watching CNR, man. SPY is moving up too. Ooh, coffee tastes so good, bro. I needed the coffee. I didn't get enough sleep last night, but CNR is edging closer to these highs. I think CNR is interesting right here at the high of pre-market. Yeah, I've said my political opinions before. This is the last thing I'm going to say since the chat's still talking about it. Is that my view on politics is the more radical you get on either side, the less intelligent you probably are. Now, with that said, we've got KSCP up there to 725s. It's gapping up a little bit. We'll see what this is. Let me see if we can find out why. Nightscope announced a partnership with Allied Universal. So Nightscope Incorporated, which is KSCP, they are a developer of physical security tech in the U.S., focusing on security operations. They announced a partnership with Allied Universal. Allied Universal has roughly $20 billion in revenue and 800,000 plus employees. The deal is going to be for providing autonomous security robots. So basically, a big robot deal was signed for KSCP, a big robot deal. Oh, you can get waxed too. See Hodges. Get beat, bro. Yeah, KSCP. We'll see 7. Here's 7. There's 7 for a bounce. We're still looking at CNR. Everybody's kind of watching this, but it looks like an acquisition to me, and the price of the acquisition is right at 25 or 24.65. So we might watch it consolidate around those levels, but I think we just got to kind of wait and hang out. Yeah, for sure, Victor. They got big numbers, to be honest. All right, so there's 23 for CNR. We'll see. BBIG is trying to get up there. SNDL, it's up to 65.5. We got BKKT up there too. A lot of people are watching. TCBP is gapping up some too. TCBP, we got BDSI up there, 550s. We got ECGO. We've got MOTS. We've got BDSI. Slow day right now. I mean, we'll see what happens, but we're watching AMC. We're watching the SPY itself. What 4 symbols do you want on the charts, guys? Let me know what 4 symbols you want on the charts. Right now, we got SDL, AMC, BBIG, and the SPY. I think that's a pretty good set, but if you guys want something included up that's not up there, vote on the poll. Or not vote on the poll, but let me know in the chat right now. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day, guys. I love donuts, bro. Krispy Kreme. I'm a Louisianian, so I love Krispy Kreme. You know, Krispy Kreme's got the GOAT donuts, followed by probably like Mary Lee Donuts is number 2, close to. All right, so SPY is basically teetering up and down over red and green. So it's technically red on the day. Now it's at 440, but it recently was up there to 441, which was technically green. So all right, so we have 440 for the SPY. Yeah, if you can get Krispy Kreme donuts hot, that's where you like. People try Krispy Kreme, they're like, oh, they're not that good. It's like, have you ever had them warm? Like, have you ever had warm Krispy Kreme donuts fresh out the oven? Those are the best donuts. All right, so SPY is technically red. Again, a lot of people are watching CS or CNR right now. Acquisition kind of heading up though. It is moving some. Oh, well, dude, you've never really had Krispy Kreme then, Chris. I know we used to have one off of Segan, but they closed it down. But dude, warm Krispy Kreme is much better than Mary Lee. Yeah, honestly, I kind of want some Krispy Kreme right now. Dude, I might tell Carol to get some Krispy Kreme. Where's a Krispy Kreme over here? Oh, yeah, cow. Hey. The only other Krispy Kreme is in Humble, bro. That's like an hour. That's like 45 minutes away from me. Don't do it, John. Well, dude, we might have to get Mary Lee. I gotta look at where Mary Lee is at. Ooh. Bro, there's no Mary Lee donuts anywhere around me, bro. That's unfortunate. The best we have is Dunkin' Donuts. All right, so AMC testing the previous closing price right here. So this light blue line is the previous closing price. Again, vote on the poll. Do you think AMC hits 20 this week? Let me know. Honestly, I need to gain weight, man. I'm usually like 165, but like after I got sick on Christmas and all that stuff, I lost like 10 pounds. So I'm like 155, 160 right now. And I want to gain back that 5 to 10 pounds. And so I'm trying to gain weight. SNDL is all right. We're looking up what everybody's saying here. Let me know what stocks you want to. We have KSCP, we got CNSR, we got BBIG, we got BKKT. What is it? KCRP? What is it? I saw it. Oh, KSCP. Here's KSCP. It did bounce at 7. Man, bro, I talk about 7, and then look at where we bounce here. I mean, I don't know if I called that out before or after. I'm not going to try to take credit for it. Yeah, carbs bad, donuts good. Yeah, see, you know. Yes, SNDL, man. Hey, we're getting ready for it. We're watching it. Let me know what you like, guys, about SNDL if you want to buy it. Yeah, I know, dude. I need donuts now. I don't know what I've done over here, but I've somehow brought up donuts a lot. Can I get donuts delivered? Oh, I bet you I could. my gosh. What's the best app to get something delivered to your house, guys? It is Valentine's Day too, so I could like, you know, what's the app? Mr. Brian is the best trader ever. Get out of here, scammers. Amazon? What's it called? Amazon what? Ooh, let me check it out. Let me check Amazon out. DoorDash. All right, guys. So we got AMC dipping below that previous closing price. It's now at 1879s. 1879s. KSCP's trying to hold up there. Let me know what you like, guys. We got SNDL on the move. All right, guys. So we got KSCP on the move. It's at 720s. We got AMC up there to 1880s. We got SNDL dipping down to the VWAP. We got BBIG up there. Anything else showing up, guys? I know we're watching the SPY. Here's BBIG. We're also looking at like BKKT here. Here's BKKT on the move. It's at like 719s that we're paying attention to. So we're watching that as well. All right, well, the other donuts they have, Southern Made donuts. Oh, dude, those look so good. They got like Fruity Pebble donuts and like marshmallow s'more donuts. All right, BBIG at 320s, AMC at 1880s. I'm sorry, guys. Bear with me. All right. What else do we have? Okay. Sins due for reverse split. Yeah, we're watching Sins here, man. And here's BKKT. And here's SENS. So SNES is at 229. They had FDA approval last week, and they still tanked here. So it might be time for a rebound. We'll see. All right. All right, guys. Let me know what you guys like. We got SNES on the move. We got AMC at 1880s. Yeah, I remember Jace. What did Bullard? Yeah, we're waiting. QQQ up or down at the open. Get it right. And money all day. We'll see, man. I am green on SoFi again. Yeah, SoFi's moving. Here's BBIG trying to. Here's SoFi. SoFi is up there to 1820 or 1280s. I don't know why I keep saying that wrong. Okay. I'm gonna tip the driver $20. Hopefully they're cool with me because of that. That's a good tip, right? $20 for DoorDash, right? That seems pretty good. Okay. Sorry, guys. We're almost done with this. Boom. I don't even know where I got this food from. Alright. Well, we did it. Don't waste money on delivery. Have Carol get it since she forgot your birthday. Milk that ish. Nah, it's alright. She didn't forget. She just told me late. Yeah, at least stand up. Hey, I'm honestly, Miguel, I'm mad, bro. I was a Bengals fan. All right, so SNDL dipping down. We've got SoFi on the move. It's at 1280s. We got Sins at 229s. We got AMC at 1875. What's up, Ace? Hey, good morning, bro. All right, guys. What's your top favorite stocks today, guys? Sorry, I've been buying donuts for the last minutes. What's your top stock for today, chat? Let me know here. What's your top stock? Oh, dude, I'm going to eat them on live stream. Y'all better believe I'm going to eat these things on live, bro. I don't even know where this place is. I got half a dozen mixed, 1 apple fritter, 1 dozen glazed, 1 dozen donut holes, another dozen mixed, 3 bacon, egg, and cheese donuts, and 2 large coffees. That should be good. Hey, what's up, Joey? I'm planning on making my first day trade today after learning a lot about the market. Any recommendations on penny stocks I could get into this morning? Thanks. I mean, bro, I'm going to tell you this. You never really know. Penny stocks are going to be, there's some good ones, but you got to research it. I don't know if I feel comfortable telling you what to buy because you never really know what's going to happen. And I'm just trying to keep it a free resource here. So good luck, brother. I wish you the best. Just remember, if you're going to be day trading specifically, like day trading is different than everything else. If you're going to be day trading, trade very small size. There's no need to trade large. Suckers,
in the beginning, trade large. Like if you're a new trader, suckers trade large when in their first day of trading. Don't be a sucker. Don't trade huge. Trade very small. Take it very slow and try to learn. If you trade too large, you're just going to lose more money than you need to. Okay, so just trade small. Don't get it into your head that you need to get rich quick today. You'll just lose more money. So good luck, brother. I don't even know what this place is, man. This place is called Southern Made Donuts. Thoughts on KABL? Well, KABL ripped. I don't know what it's going to be doing right now. It pushed up, but I don't know what it's doing right now. Here's KABL. It had some movement Friday, I remember. So Friday, this thing ripped up to almost $3 and then came right back down. And it's back up to 240s today. So I'm not hating KABL. I think KABL is okay. Yeah, know when to cut your losses. Take it very slow. Just don't get trapped into the trap. Like one of the new trader traps is that they watch a bunch of marketing material from gurus trying to sell them courses, right? And so they think, oh, well, I'm going to get rich. This is just going to change my life. I'm going to show everybody. I'm going to prove everybody wrong. I'm going to prove everybody wrong and show them that I can day trade and get rich doing it. And everybody's going to be like, wow, look at you. You're so smart. You made money day trading. And then they just lose thousands and thousands of dollars and they just kind of never say another word about it. Right? Don't be like that. That's the new trader trap. Okay. What you really want to do is trade very, very small. Number one, you want to paper trade first and you want to learn how to trade. And then when you finally are ready to test yourself, you trade very small with real money. Very small. You buy like 5 shares of whatever and you just take it slow. Because if you don't, you will lose money. Almost certainly. Yeah, I'm mad about it, Victor, still. Yeah, trade small, eat donuts. Okay. Yeah, practice. Exactly. Hey, thank you, Joey. I appreciate you, bro. All right, so we got SNES. Now, again, SNES had FDA approval last week. So they did have FDA approval last week. They are up to 220s here. We'll see what happens. But they did have FDA approval last week. And so a lot of people are waiting for a bounce here, potentially. They just dropped huge. I can't remember what the reasoning was for this major drop, but they dropped big. A lot of people are watching to see if they rebound now. BBIG, somebody asked me about BBIG. BBIG is just slow right now. So it's just not moving much. Now, it's still not down much either in the last few days, but it is down some. And so if I'm looking at some levels, I can tell you the levels I'd watch, right? For BBIG, I'm watching like 312s, 315s, 310s, whatever this level is. If we extend that to the left, that's basically the level I'm watching. You can see we touched that level numerous times. That's what I'm paying attention to. If we get over 350, I think 350 is like a really nice level for BBIG. If we get over that and then maybe test that level up there, then we're talking. This is too many lines on the chart. I'm just looking at this level right now. We're looking at this level. And then again, 350, which is right here. Those 3 levels are what I'm watching for BBIG. If we're looking at SE and S here, SNES, we got these lows down here in pre-market we're watching. We've got this previous closing price, which is a very relevant level at 240s that we're watching. And we'll see what happens. For SNDL, we've got this low of pre-market down here at about 60 cents. I think that's relevant. We have the previous closing price right above us, which you can actually see SNDL keeps testing it. It keeps testing the previous close. It's one of the reasons, like, listen, if you are not watching the previous closing price as a short-term trader, you are missing out on one of the most relevant levels in the market. And so here's the previous close right here at about 66 cents. And you can see it's actually moving up, testing that level. This is the level at which it goes from red to green and green to red on the day. So yeah, you can watch this level and see if it goes from red to green or green to red on the day. That's right, Ace. First step, hit that like button, guys. You want to. Everybody's doing it. Try it one time, see how it feels. Hit the like button. What's up, Joel? Yeah, for sure, brother. Yeah, honestly, Joel, we got to put some more content out on the crypto channel, brother. It's been a hectic few weeks, though, man. My dad surprised me and came in town Friday for my birthday. So my birthday was Friday. My dad surprised me and came in town. And I was not expecting it. So we had to clean the house. And I hadn't seen my dad in like a year and a half. So it had been over a year since I'd seen my dad. And so I just couldn't do really much of anything this weekend because my dad just showed up, which is good. It was good to see him. I hadn't seen him in like a year. But Yeah, crypto looking interesting for sure. Yeah, small profits per share is fine. SNDL. If you're beginning, also realize if you know about some news that's coming up, you best believe the market is well aware of any upcoming catalyst and will ride it until it's time to get out. Yeah, you just gotta, like, it depends. You gotta figure out what type of trading you want to be in. You know, that's the big thing. Like, you can day trade, but if you day trade, don't bag hold. Don't just never sell. And a lot of these penny stocks are never going to come back. You know, and so like a lot of these penny stocks will gap up and then fail, and you'll never see them again. And so if you refuse to cut losses when they drop, you'll just get beat up. You know, a lot of people are just going to lose lots of money. Nice, Joel. Nice, man. Why you left Louisiana and moved to Texas? I mean, I moved here 10 years ago. At the time, or like it was like 13 years ago, actually, now. At the time, I had just met Carol, and her and I were dating. And she was supposed to move to Texas. And so I kind of followed her here, I guess, where she was supposed to move here. And her and I started dating like 2-3 weeks before she was supposed to move. And so, you know, it was kind of a new relationship, and we wanted to see what would happen. So we moved to Houston, you know. Yeah, all good, Joel. No worries, bro. Yeah, I think Cam's busy too. All right. But anyway, what's your watch list this morning? Let me know. What you think about Roblox earnings? I don't know, man. Roblox, we'll have to wait and see what happens with Roblox, bro. I really don't know. Yeah, the best thing that you can do is establish a risk level and stick to that level like glue. If you want to be a better trader, if you're at home struggling right now and you don't know how to win and you're losing and losing, the number one skill in trading, in any types of trading, it could be day trading, it can be swing trading, it can be investing, it could be options. The most important thing that you could ever do in your trading is establish and condition your ability to cut losses. Establish and condition your ability to cut losses. Get better at it. Do it over and over again. Because if you don't get good at cutting losses, you will never be successful trading. You know, if you're one of those traders that just cannot handle mentally a loss, you get your pride in the way, you refuse to accept a loss, you're just desperate to win, desperate to show everybody how good you are, you will just lose, and you will lose a lot. And so the number one skill you can have in trading is your ability to cut losses. Get really good at that. Don't let it mess with you mentally, and you'll be fine. I get so many days where the market's just not favorable. It's just not a good market. I just end up, you know, losing, chopping out. Sometimes the market's not favorable. Yeah, I love Louisiana, but I'm definitely happy to move. I was happy to move at the time. You know, I did a lot of young, dumb stuff when I was young. Hey, thank you, Emmanuel. I appreciate it. Yeah, SE&S, I don't know, man, about SE&S. They had FDA approval, but they just got hammered. You know, they were down big. So we were watching for a potential rebound today, but I don't know, man. They just got hammered Friday. FDA approval, too. Hey, nice, Miguel. Yeah, I feel you, bro. Roblox guidance, supply chain immune. Yeah, we'll see how Roblox goes. We're going to be conferencing, or we're going to be streaming the Roblox conference call for sure. Earnings call. I've been here my whole life. If I had somewhere else I could afford to go, I'd be gone in a heartbeat. Yeah, I don't blame you. It was just good for me, man. I think there's power in getting away from your comfort, you know? Like, in hindsight, I'm very happy that I did, because if I would have stayed in Baton Rouge, hanging out with the same people, doing the same thing, I would certainly not be as comfortable as I am now. You know, I would just be doing the same thing. I wouldn't be doing anything. And so, you know, I think there's a power in getting away from your comfort zone and maybe separating from some of your friends that are just not doing anything. KSCP's up there. We're still watching like CNR. We got KSCP we're looking at. Roblox. Got a lot of people talking about Roblox. And Roblox is technically green now. Here's the SPY itself. We got BBIG here. We've got like SNE Essence. Did I accidentally click this button? It doesn't do noise cancellation. It just does some other crap. All right, guys. So SPY's starting to push back up. SNDL still dipping. It's at 64.5 cents. AMC ripped, and then it's kind of got quiet after the open. So it ripped, and then it got a little quiet after the opening bounce. So we'll see what we get. Check my DoorDash guy. Ooh, he's gonna be on in like 15 minutes. Dope. Yeah, Roblox is up. We'll see. BBIG at 320s, AMC up there, SNDL at 64, 65. What did the Fed meeting? What time is the Fed meeting today? I think it's like 11:30 and it's private, right? KSCP, what happened? Nothing. I mean, KSCP is just consolidating here. It's not going to go straight up. None of these are going to go straight up, and so price target on AMC, SNDL. Let us know. CEAD. Yeah, look at CEAD, guys. It's up to 340s. Thank you, Joel. Appreciate you. But yeah, look at this. Big rip. Let's see where we can find the catalyst here for CEAD. The catalyst. CEA Industries. It looks like it's a cannabis stock. So it's cannabis stock. Float is pretty small, 1.5 million in the float. So very, very small float here for CEAD. Very, very small float. And we'll see what happens. Sometimes the gurus target these, so y'all just be careful. But we're up there. We're over the VWAP. Let's see if we hold at $3. I think $3 is relevant here. Here's 3. In Baton Rouge, have you been to Chelsea's bar across from LSU? I work there as a bouncer, but no, I've never been there, Daniel. I've been to what's the road in LSU? What's the main famous road in LSU? They have the big bar, and it's like a club, but it's also like a bar. They closed it down for a while because I think they were doing something. Yeah, Nightscope announced the partnership. Harry, what are you doing, bro? KAVL getting some love. Yeah, CEAD, let's watch $3 here. Here's KAVL. It's at 340s. Damn, dude, they pushed it back, bro. They told me it was going to be 15 minutes. All right, my son. What's up, bro? How you doing, man? What's up, dude? You want to be on stream or no?
No.
Okay. Well, here, hold on. All right, there you go. All right, dude. I love you, man.
Bye.
Bye-bye, buddy. Love you, bud.
Love you too.
Have a good day at school, man. You okay? You all right this morning?
Yeah.
All right, dude. Later, buddy. All right. He didn't feel like being on stream today. It's all good. Happy Valentine's Day.
No.
Love you. Here. Love you. They said you were mad at me because I cursed at you the other day on stream.
No.
See? Told you.
Love you.
Love you.
Huh?
All right. Make sure y'all like it. Yeah, for sure. Y'all like it sub. All right, we're back. Man, look at SNDL just tank here. Here's CEAD, guys. And we called out the $3. We called out the $3. Yeah, it was Brightside Bar and Grill. I've been there a bunch. You know, I think it was Brightside, right? It's been so long, man. Yeah, it was Brightside. I've been there a bunch. All right, so SNDL dumped here. KVL is back over the VWAP though. What about KSCP? KSCP bouncing at 7s. CEAD did not hold at 3. It's still dumping down here. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Hey. Waiting for this freaking food, man. I wanted it to get here before they got here. Ooh, they're on the way. Okay, he'll be here in like 5 minutes. Or like maybe like 10. I think he'll make it. All right, so CEAD just dumped, just did not hold. I see POTX trying. CNR was ripping up, but it's an acquisition, so it's slow. Just CGRN, TISI, MOTS, BDSI. We got BBIG we're watching. We got BKKT we're watching too. Everything's kind of slow. SPY's not slow though. SPY is okay. Here's the SPY. It's up there to 440s. So SPY is technically green on the day now. Yeah, man, my son is 8. Yeah, maybe, bro. Yeah, AMD. Yeah, here's AMD, man. I saw AMD ripping. Why is AMD up so much? Is this the SPYs movement? Like if we look at the SPY, yeah, I think this is just the SPYs movement. QQQ, same thing. ASAX is up. We've got TCBP. Then we got CGRN. We've got CNR. Yeah, it's all good. I like KBL, yeah, for sure. I remember the crawfish boils. Brightside, yeah. Yeah, kids are good age, bro. Yeah. Hey, what time are y'all leaving to drop the kids off? Here, just wait 10 minutes. Just wait. All right, love you. Yeah, like 10 minutes. All right, love you. All right. It's really gonna be less than that. It might be like 5 minutes if he's fast. All right, so SNDL dumped. We got KSCPR or KSCP. KSCP still consolidating here, and I've talked about this before, but it's really good to spot like a rectangular range is usually one of my favorite momentum methods. Like you can see these rectangular ranges that form in pre-market. Waiting for these ranges to break is usually really effective as like using these tops and bottoms as previous support and resistance. Works really well. So we'll see what happens with KSEP. Yeah, I like chess. KABL chart is up there. Yeah, it's at 240s right now. Still looking at like BBIG and SCNS. Here's BBIG, here's SCNS. So we're going to watch these at the open for sure to see if we get like some type of volatile momentum, some volatility coming through or rolling through. And we'll see. AMC is just kind of consolidating, mostly neutral, but it fought all the way back. It was at one point at $18 a share. And AMC is all the way back up to like almost 19 now. So ANY. Again, let me know the stocks that you would prefer me to keep up. I know a lot of people are watching AMC, a lot of people are watching SCNS and NE and BKKT, but I think KSEP is worthwhile to keep up on the chart just because it's probably one of the more interesting looking stocks in pre-market today. All right, so old boy's about to be here. CEI? Yeah, CEI, I don't know about that one, man. You know, like I said, CEI was one of those stocks that just had so much hype and then it just didn't do anything. You know, and it's so much hype, you know, back here, you know, just had so much hype back here late last year in September and October, and then it just never did anything. It's at 55 cents now. So I know you got a lot of people that are holding it still and just kind of stuck because they bought it up here and they basically lost everything. And so they're just desperately hoping it comes back, but it's at 55 cents now. So we'll see what happens with CEI. Here's KSEP. It's at 7-Elevens. All right, dude's about to be here. Yeah, this dude's flying. Right, that $20 tip got him here fast. All right, we got SCNS on the move too. Here's BBIG. We got like BKKT. Prog is another one. PROG. INPX. CNR. We got MOTS. ASAX. Yeah, security robot deal. I saw that, Joel. So yeah, it was a security robot deal. So. All right, old boy's about to be here. I don't think they can see the tip until after because you can change it still. Well, that ruins the point of it. Yeah, he's about to be here. Yeah, he's about to pull up. KSEP, no options on KSEP. Well, it's a obscure penny stock. Not obscure, but like it's a lesser known penny stock. Generally, I'm not talking about KSEP specifically, but I'm saying put options would be way too easy on a lot of these penny stocks because a large majority of penny stocks will fail. That's just a fact. It's not. I'm not hating on them, but a lot of these penny stocks will fail. You know, I'm not saying KSEP will. I'm just saying a lot of these will. And so buying a put option is pretty safe bet for a lot of them if you can find them. But because most of them over the long run will fail. The risk is that, you know, the ones that don't fail could really go crazy, as we've seen a lot in these as well. Hold on. All right, guys, I'm going to go catch my donuts real quick. I'll be right back. If y'all want to see the donuts, stick around. But I'll be right back. Gotta catch these donuts. All right, we're back with the donuts, bro. All right. Oh man, these look so good, dude. I don't know what this is, too. I got this. It's like bacon, egg, and cheese something, dude. I don't know what this is. Okay. All right, guys. What's going on in my absence here? Anything? Here's BBIG. Here's BDSI. Here's MOTS. Here's CNR. Here's TCBP. CGRN. Here's the SPY. What else is going on? Look at these. Oh, pretty good. They got like little hearts on them and stuff. They look pretty good. BRCC. All right, so SPY still sideways. It's Valentine's Day, bro. Dude, yeah, and I'm also not a health nut. I don't just eat. I mean, I try to eat healthy. And so I drink like stevia cola and stuff. But I occasionally treat myself to treats. And it's Valentine's Day. And, you know, I had to order my wife some stuff. So don't judge me. All right. Let me know what you're watching right now, guys. AMC dipped and then came all the way right back. It's at 1875. We got KSCP at 7. We've got SNDL at 64. We've got the SPY. What are you guys watching? We got SENS here too. Here's SENS. So we're watching that. Anything else, man? It's a pretty slow day, to be honest. You're an inspiration, John. I love that you can eat donuts and be real with us. Hey, yeah. Thank you, Leon. I appreciate it. I'm the biggest inspiration right now, eating donuts. You know, living life. You know. Top 3 stock traders in the world right now. I don't know where these are from. But no, the Bronco's dope. It just needs to be a little bit larger. Like the Bronco's too small. AMC technically green on the day now. Look at AMC rip up. It's at 1880s, guys. 1880s. So AMC is technically green on the day. That's pretty good. Now let's try this sprinkly looking thing. What's this called? Honestly, I feel bad for you guys, man. I'm sorry. I gotta eat this in front of you, and I know y'all are over there jealous. I know. I get it. I'd be too. I'm sorry. What do you want me to do? Nah, Larry, you didn't see how much I bought, man. I bought $100 worth of donuts, bro. Literally $100. It was like $90. So I got like 30 donuts, a whole thing of donut holes, and then like 6 custom donuts. So yeah, we're not running out anytime soon. You know? I'm a notorious overspender on food. My stomach overpowers my mind, or my mind overpowers my stomach every time. All right, guys, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Dude, the old Broncos were dope. The new ones are too short. They need to be taller. And I know the old ones weren't super tall, but like, that's the big thing. All right, SNDL still rejecting. AMC testing previous close. KSCP is up there. SENS is trying. AMC is up there to 1880s here. We got SNDL rejecting VWAP. Here's the opening bell, guys, in 10 seconds. Good luck. And let's try to make some money today, hopefully. All right, here's the bell. All right, guys. There's the opening bell. AMC pushing up. We got SNES at 220s. We've got KSCP that a lot of people are going to be paying attention to at 720s. AMC up there to over 19s. We got SNDL at about 63. 63. All right, AMC up there to 19s, guys. Squeezing up to 19s here. All right, so the emergency meeting is supposed to be later on today in about 2 hours. AMC is up there to over 19, so AMC flew at the opening bell. KSCP is dumping down. It's at 690s. 690s. SENES is at 225, 223. AMC is up there to over 19. AMC at 1910s right now, 1910s. KAVL, yeah, let's see what KAVL is doing. SNES just dropped, so we'll see if we get a rebound. AMC is flying up here, so look at AMC rip. KAVL is ripping too. It's at 250s. KVL popped up. SNDL is down, so SNDL is dropping. KSCP is dropping. AMC dipping down for a little bit. Let's see if we can hold over the previous close at 1880. I think 1880s is a big hold spot, a big hold level. KVL at 260s. SNDL is still dumping down. It's at 62 cents. All right, a lot of stuff's just dropping, except for AMC. AMC's trying to get back over 19s. SPY looking weak here. Okay, dude, TOS isn't filling me, bro. Wow, dude, TOS is so slow right now, dude. They're not even filling me, man. I'm shorting the SPY. Catching the breakdown. Dude, fill me, bro. Look at this, a freaking market order right now for Thinkorswim. Look at this, a market order on the SPY right now. A freaking market order, bro. Are you serious, man? And actually, it took like 30 seconds to get a market order fills. TOS's fills are bad. Oh, and it just filled me randomly again, bro. I didn't even do anything, dude. It actually worked out for my benefit. Okay, so I actually just made money, but I got to be careful because it randomly filled me just now. But it gifted me just basically $25. So I'm up $25 on the day from just the gift of TOS terrible fills. But yeah, AMC guys, we want to see it back over this previous closing price. KAVL is still ripping. We're watching SNES, SINS. We're watching BKKT. BKKT is down, but trying to come back. We're watching SNDL to see if it can rebound too. So KVL seems to be okay though. So KVL is popping up. It's at 260s, 250s or 260s. So that's moving some nicely here. Did anybody see that though? It took me like freaking 30 seconds just to get filled with a freaking market order, bro. Ridiculous, man. Market order should be, to put it into perspective, a market order is supposed to fill me immediately, no matter what. A market order is supposed to give you an immediate fill with the best possible price, but an immediate fill. That's the priority. A limit order is supposed to get you filled at that specific limit price or better, but it's not a priority. The limit price is the priority. And so the fact that it took me 30 seconds to get filled with a market order is unnerving. It's probably the right word. AMC up to popped over 19, getting back up there over the previous closing price. Trying to end green on the day. Trying to end green. I mean, honestly, it was kind of cool though, Tiny, because it made me money. You know, like one of the fills for TOS was right here, like right at this short. So like, even though it filled me terribly, it actually made me money. So shout out to TOS. Thank you. Bad fills. I appreciate you, TOS. You're a real one for that one. Whew. All right, KAVL is up to 250s. We're watching that. We got AMC up there to 1890s. We're watching that. AMC up to 1890s. SNDL is up to 63 cents. Yeah, sideways market. I'm waiting. I actually might short a little bit of this. Let me try to get filled again. I'm going to have to get filled, though, with like 10 shares here, though, guys. And it's still taking a long time. Look at this. Market order. 10-share market order. Look at this. Wow, dude. Cancel. I just canceled it. But like, this is unacceptable, man. This is bad. This is not good. Now I also have to watch it to make sure it doesn't randomly fill me in any random spot. What am I supposed to do? This is the SPY. It's one of the most liquid securities in the market right now. You gonna fill me? All right, we got filled this time, so it filled me on 10 shares. The problem is it better let me out. I'm scared to buy more than this for now. SNDL's ripping up, getting ready to break highs, guys. So SNDL just broke highs of the day. AMC's over, trying to test 19. What the heck, bro? I just exited the position and it didn't show me exiting it, man. What the heck, dude? Oh my gosh, bro. What the hell is wrong with Thinkorswim today, bro? Do not use... Thinkorswim is crapping out today, man. The fills are horrible, horrible. They're not filling at the right time. I don't know if this newest update messed with the platform fills, but it is not good, guys. It is not good. Be careful, because I basically just lost $10 when I didn't have to there. Like, I didn't need to lose that. Like, I covered and my order disappeared. It literally disappeared. My buy order of 10 shares, which would have covered the short, just disappeared. I had to set it again, and during that time, I lost money. Very weird. BKKT ripped up, guys. Look at BKKT here. Wow. BKKT up to 750s here. SNDL breaking over high. So a lot of these penny stocks we were tracking in pre-market are flying right now. SNDL specifically, it's at like 63. BKKT just ripped over 750s here. So some movement going through with these. BKKT is up there to 750s though. Are you bullish or bearish on these guys? Let me know. Anybody else having issues with TOS fills today? Anybody? Yeah, it's definitely not safe to trade like that for sure. But is anybody else having issues with TOS fills? Is the question. Man, look at SNDL with the big dip. I don't know what to do. I gotta wait. Number one, the market's mostly neutral right now anyway. But, you know. All right, guys. So market pulling back some. BKKT dipping down to 750. Let's see what happens there. But if we can bounce there, it might be interesting. All right, BKK dipping down. We're going to try to short the SPY again and see if it fills me. Look at this, dude. It's not filling me, man. Okay. Ugh, look. Market order. Now we're filled. But man, dude. TOS gives and TOS takes away. Yeah, we're going to cut out of this. If it fills me here, please get out of the trade. Please get out of the trade. Please get out of the trade. Oh my gosh, dude. This is just a freaking no, 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 no. Man, dude, TOS is freaking ridiculous. SPY turning green on the day, though. I gotta wait. We're gonna give it some time and hopefully let it play out because this is a mess. I actually like the bullish pattern on the SPY, though, so we're gonna buy a little bit. Look, we're trying to get filled. Look at this. Market order just sitting here. 30 seconds. Look at this. Market order. Wow, dude. Are they acknowledging this or are they just pretending it's not there? AMC still sideways. SNDL still running. BKKT ripped up. Huge rip. Oh, and now I'm freaking filled? Are you serious, bro? A short order is filled? Dude. I would very cautiously trade on TOS if y'all are today. And this is not my computer. This is TOS. Unbelievable, man. I don't know what to do. It looked honestly really good too. Like I would love to buy the SPY here. Like I would love to buy it up and see what happens, but all right, so we'll see. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna test it out with one share and see what goes on. All right, so even one share won't get filled here. Weird, man. Oh, see, now it got filled. So my order fills are basically just late. Like, look. Like, my order fills are just late. Okay, let me restart my TOS, guys. So my apologies. We're going to save this and then restart because this is just not good. I mean, the SPY has been mostly choppy and sideways, though, so it's all good. Bear with me, team. What are y'all trading? Y'all green or red today? We're green. Let me know if you're green or red today. We're pulling it up right now. All right, so we're getting it popped up. All right, we're back. Hopefully my computer doesn't just die on me, is what I hope. All right, so the SPY coming back down. Let's try it now. Let's do a test. All right, so now we're filled immediately. So that's good. So it looks like our fills are back. Maybe it was just my computer, but I don't know, dude. All right, so we're running a short of 25 shares down. Hopefully, SNDL is still consolidating. BKKT is still pulling back to that 750 level. So we'll see if it holds. All right, see, my exit fill was very slow too, but we made some money back, so we'll see what we get. But market turning here. Market is turning. So market's turning on the downside. Yeah, we might short into this pop. Hopefully it gets filled. Okay, so we did get filled right away. We might add a little bit more into that 439.50 level. There we go. We're going to cover into that. Nice. Going to cover into that. All right, so we're up. Okay, so TOS is still not filling me. Come on, man. Oh my gosh. No, do not buy market. Sheesh, dude. All right, well, we're still not getting great feels. BKKT is still probably one of my favorite ones today. SNDL starting to rip. Look at SNDL. So SNDL starting to go. Yeah, restart didn't help. So Eli, you're doing the same thing? So it's happening to you as well, Eli? It's not just me? Let me know, man, because I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. Facebook ripping up. We already restarted. TOS is very sideways here. I wouldn't mind shorting this. Okay, and it filled me pretty fast. The problem has been exiting. So it's been filling me fast on entries on the short side, but exiting has been the rough one. We're going to cut this here. All right, so we got out basically break even there. We didn't do much. Fills are fine today. Definitely the worst it has been in a while. Well, it doesn't sound like it's just me. It sounds like, yeah, at least 30 seconds for fill and exit. Okay, so it's not just me. I mean, I'm not saying I'm happy it's happening to you, but at least it's comforting knowing that it's not just exit, exit, exit. All right, good. At least it's comforting knowing it's not just me. So I hope you get it fixed, Eli. Sorry to hear that, bro. All right, so the spy's popping up. All right. Oh my gosh, dude, are you freaking serious, man? What? Dude, this is unbelievable, bro. I look the other way and look at this, dude. Like, I didn't even do anything, man. Like, I'm in this all of a sudden short and you won't exit the position? Oh my gosh, dude. This is horrible, man. Like, apparently there's an order saved now, too. What the heck is going on, man? Like, dude, it won't even let me out. Look. Okay. Sheesh, dude. So now we're break even on the day. Thanks, TOS. Unbelievable. I can't trade like this, man. I'm gonna have to trade futures or something. This is ridiculous, dude. BKKT's flying, but TOS is not reliable today. Yeah, exit has been worse for me too, Eli. I don't know what's wrong with this, man. It's just weird. I mean, it's all right. It happens, but sheesh, man. I don't know what to do. I don't know what else to do. AMC's starting to come back though. That's good. All right. Well, the market's back up. BBIG. Yeah, AMC's running. SNDL's starting to run. Here's BBIG. Yeah, BBIG starting to run. Low volume though, very low volume, but it's up. It's moving good. But I don't know what to do with Thinkorswim. I've never had this bad fills on TOS ever. Let me look it up on Twitter. Yeah, I don't know what to do. AMC starting to rip back up though. AMC looks good. I definitely don't want to. I definitely don't want to play options today. There's too much risk. We could try Top Shot. So we're gonna try to trade futures today. All right, so look at AMC flying up. It's at 1920s, guys. 1920s, 1930s here for AMC. Wow. Hopefully we get some good market momentum. I don't know what to do with TOS though, man. It's just kind of one thing after another. I know what the problem is. They have that market meeting, the emergency market meeting. You think that's dragging on broader market sentiment? Do you think the market's going to head down from that meeting, or what do you guys think is going to happen? SNDL pulling back some, BKKT running, AMC running, over 19s. Let's see if it hits 20, man. Vote on the poll if you think it's going to. But it's one of the choppiest few days in the market. Look at this. Here's SNDL, but look at the SPY. Look outside. Look at the last like few weeks. AMC ripping up. Here's SNDL. It's up there to 64s. Let's see if the SPY pops or what, but it's just so slow. Neutral. We got a little bitty position on the SPY, but we're cutting this now. If it'll let us get out of it, at least. Just so sideways, man. Yeah, just don't get suckered into trading this too heavily, because it's how you lose. No, I don't want to short the market, bro. Damn, man. SPY is all, or TOS is all messed up today. BKKT is dipping down. Oh my gosh, dude. What the heck is wrong with Thinkorswim, bro? This is why they never mess with anything in terms of like their platform, is because if they mess with it, it's just never going to like, it's going to ruin the platform if they try to update it because they don't have the correct programmers. There is what it is. Yeah, the Fed meeting is supposed to be at 10:30, at 10:30 market time. So we'll see. But AMC's ripping up. That's probably one of the more interesting ones right now. Yeah, and I'd love to trade. Maybe it's just the SPY. Let me try the QQQ and see if it's, maybe it's just the SPY. Here's the QQQ. Here's 10 shares. Okay, so no, it's not just the SPY. It's the QQQ. It's everything. And I've restarted my platform. I've closed everything down to where it shouldn't be lagging like this, and it's still just issues after issues, unfortunately. I really gotta watch the QQQ now because it's been shadow filling me randomly. Where I'll cancel an order and then it'll fill me 5 minutes later and I'll be down. So too late to cancel order. What? Okay, now it filled me again, bro. If it's already filled, you shouldn't let me cancel it. I can try to limit order it. Let me try limit ordering it. We're gonna try to get out with a limit order. I'm trading very small right now because I'm trying to show you guys. Here's a bid. This should fill me immediately. Getting out on the bid. Okay, so that filled me. So are they just not gonna let me use market orders anymore? Or what do you think is going on here? Let's try buying the ask. Let's see if that helps. Here's buying the ask. That failed me. Okay, so I just can't. Market orders are the problem today. You can't use market orders is what it is. At least that's what it seems like. Let's try to fill. Let's get out. Okay, so limit orders are working. So we're going to try to get into a rhythm now with some limit orders. Also, guys, stick around. We do have a really nice... we do have a really nice video debuting today after the stream on Disney. Yeah, I think it's market orders. All right, TOS is having widespread issues. Several boards talking about it. Yeah, I know. I mean, I know we get some people saying, oh, I'm not having issues. It looks to be just on your end. But I've seen a lot of people complain. Not just here, but elsewhere as well. So it's not just me. It's broader TOS issues. Market break it down, though. Yeah, I think it has to do with shorting, guys. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it has to do with shorting. Maybe they're doing something in anticipation of the emergency meeting. They don't want too many people shorting it. All right, so we're currently using limit orders here on the SPY. Writing this down. We'll add some more to pop because I see this market's getting very, very weak right now. AMC dipping down too, and AMC has been following the broader market for a while now. I mean, we're basically pretty close to break even at this point in time, but we're going to add some on the SPY bounce. If we can add a little bit more here, let's see if it'll let me. No. Let's see if we get a pop. Doesn't look like we're getting it. Big market breakdown. I wish I could have added to this. All right. All right, so we got out. So that worked. Caught the big breakdown of the market. We're basically break even right now. We're gonna see if we can short into a little pop with the SPY. Everything else is falling down with it. BKKT, BBIG, AMC, SNDL. It's all following it right now. So that's how much the market influences these things. Not completely, but that's kind of what's going down right now. All right, so we're shorting a little bit more, 10 shares. We'll add a little bit more up to 439, 439.50 maybe even, if we can. Come on, man. Fill me my order. All right, so it filled me on that bounce. Trying to short, but it's very difficult with limit orders, to be honest. So we added a little bit more into this. We're trying to use limit orders effectively here. We're going to cover, and it's not going to fill us, which is the problem with limit orders. 15 shares left. Break even now. We could add a little bit more on this move. All right, so it did fill us there, so that's good. All right, so we got filled on another 15 shares. We're going to cover a little bit more if it fills us. Come on, man. All right, there's the fill. Nice. Nice. All right, so we're out. So I think we're green on the day now. Yeah, we're slightly green on the day. We've just been having to use limit orders, which is not as favorable for me in my style, but yeah. All right, so market sideways now. We're slightly green. All right, so we're getting back up there. We can try to short into this a little bit more here. 15 shares filled. DraftKings is below the VWAP here. Same thing with BKKT. Same thing with AMC. Same thing with BBIG here. So we're just trying to see if we can catch a broader market breakdown. No fill there. Okay, we did get filled there. We're on 30 shares of the SPY on the short side. Just kind of going back and forth. I might add a little bit more and take a swing here. All right, we're at 45 shares. I might actually get one more 5-share position here. There we go. Now I can just use 25-share increments. Back to almost break even. Nice. All right, covered. Writing this down a little bit more. Nice. Nice. All right, so it looks like market orders are doing a little bit better. Made a small amount on that trade, but not much. But green, nonetheless. We're just going to try to start to get into a rhythm now. All right, so market going back up. We're going to short into this a little bit more. See if we can get filled, but it doesn't look like TOS is working with us very well on the fills. All right, so there's a fill, 25 shares. We might actually add a little bit more. KVL on the move back up. Yeah, a lot of stuff just following the market right now. All right, so we're out. Another green trade. BBIG, BKKT, AMC all trying. There's 240s for KVL. So yeah, it's still trying, but it's supposed to be at 11:30, Kyle. 11:30 is when the Fed meeting's supposed to be. All right, guys. So in 5 minutes, we do have the premiere of our other video, and so stick around. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. We do this live for free every single day right here, and so if you haven't already, subscribe. We certainly appreciate it. If you stick around on this stream, our debut of Disney analyzation from Beach Bum Trading is going to be completely live after this stream. So it's going to be live completely after this stream. So stick around to that. Also, guys, if you want to check out BitGet is really dope. BitGet allows you to trade crypto trading. One of the biggest ways to get around the PDT rule, like if you want to trade the same scalping strategies as me, check out TopStep first. TopStep's really dope because TopStep funds traders. They give you a demo account. If you can hit their target while following their rules, then they fund you anywhere between 50K up to over 100K. And I get asked all the time, what the heck is this Phil doing, man? Oh my gosh, bro. Unbelievable, Thinkorswim. Unbelievable, man. Like, wow, dude. Are you unbelievable, bro? Like, unbelievable, man. You're not gonna feel me now? Like, sheesh, bro. Now you feel me? Unbelievable, bro. Just disappointing, man. Anyways, check out TopStep. TopStep funds traders in the futures market. So they give you a demo. If you can hit their target, they fund you. Well, if you follow the rest of their rules. If you look at the E-mini and you look at the SPY, it moves exactly the same. So here's the SPY and here's the E-mini. You can see the chart's exactly the same. I don't even look at the E-mini chart when I trade. I just trade the SPY and I use the same scalping strategies. No PDT rule in the futures market. TopStep funds you in futures and they give you a demo, and basically it's less than $160 a month if you want to try it out. It's a really cheap way to get started in the futures market. No PDT rule. This company's regulated, located in the US, and they pay out millions every year. They fund thousands. And so if you want to check out TopStep, here's the link. Really dope platform. I've been using them for a long time, and you can check them out here. Yeah, I'm not trading on TOS right now. There's a lot of people whining and complaining about it. It's not just me, so it's at least it's not just me, but man, it's frustrating, very frustrating. The other thing to check out is check out BitGet. On BitGet, you can copy other profitable traders. You can, see which traders are the most profitable and copy them trade for trade. And so if you want to look at this, if you go to Spot, you can invest in crypto on BitGet. And this company, somebody was saying like some stuff last week, but this company is regulated in the U.S. They have KYC verification, which is know your customer in the U.S. You can buy Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. You can buy Mana, Axie Infinity. You can buy a lot of these altcoins, XRP, Dash, Band, Ocean, Game, Gala. You can buy all these cryptos that you can't find elsewhere on BitGet, and you can use them and get registered if you're in the US. You could also trade crypto futures with leverage. So you can get up to 125 times leverage in crypto futures on BitGet. Really dope. I can short Bitcoin or go long in Bitcoin with no PDT rule on BitGet as well. Super easy to use. And then you could also copy other profitable traders. And this is like a new age form of investing. If I go to ROI here, look at some of these traders. They're killing it in the market. They're making money. This guy's running 71% accuracy, 440% ROI. This guy's got 418% ROI, 86% accuracy. He's got 40 people following him. He's made $703, and you can copy them trade for trade. So it automatically enters, automatically exits. You can give them stop losses. You can adjust the ratio. So I can take 50% of his sizing or 30%. Really, really dope and easy to use. And again, you could also be a copy trader and earn 8%. So if you look at some of these guys, this dude's only made $437 in the last 3 weeks. So it's a small account, but he's running 97% accuracy with 680% ROI. So he's making 8% from all of these 136 people following him. So just a really dope way to either be a copy trader if you're good at crypto trading, or copy somebody else as a new age form of investing. Depositing is super easy. You just go to buy crypto. Cheapest, I think, is USDT. And so you can say, hey, I want to buy $500 of USDT using Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, all that stuff. Or you could just buy it on Coinbase and send it over. They are a sponsor of our video. Great way to help support the channel. And I'll post this link here if you want to check them out for BitGet. We also should be streaming. Our earnings call for Advanced Auto Parts today. And so I'll post this link, guys, but then I'm going to get out of here. I can't really trade much today anyway. Yeah, they have XRP, and I think, but you got to check your rules with your state and all that good stuff. But yeah, guys, there's the link if you want to check out Top Step and crypto and BitGet. And yeah, guys, stick around. As soon as I end the stream, the premiere of the new video for Disney from Beach Bum Trading is going to show up. So if you want to go follow and subscribe to Beach Bum Trading, go subscribe to him here. He's the one that gave us this latest video. And yeah, just stick around. You don't even have to leave the stream. You can sit here right on stream, and as soon as I end it, it'll bring you to the new stream. So check it out. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you right over at the next video, guys. Stick around. Don't leave. We're going to go